to MC FLO. Today we will show you how easy it is to make a forecast and an automated forecast based on the data that we have stored previously in MC FLO. Here we see volume sales for different quarters. What we can do is to perform a fit distribution to assign this data to a corresponding time series path, which we can do very quickly. We define as a time series. We look for time forecasted data, and we'll see here that MC FLO provides us with three models: a moving average model, and autoregressive moving average model, and also for the Holt-Winters method. We see that using the Holt-Winters additive model that we have a very good approximation, and we will use that kind of model now for make predictions about the futures for the next 2 quarters that we have to be that has to be forecasted. So what we can do is to introduce a formula which is called FMC batch here for Holt-Winters model, and here also for quarter, also that the data is quarterly available. We will choose some kind of input data. It can be stored in columns and rows. We like to make a forecast for 2 periods. You can see it here. We have a result order that the result should be displayed in columns. We have a selection criteria. Here we see a key information criteria. We like to choose 10,000 iterations for the corresponding confidence intervals. If you like to choose here, and we have an upper or lower limit of 0.05, and here we have the corresponding median for the other 50% quantile, and we have here, the same we have here defined for the 95 confidence level, so that we have confidence that the corresponding path will lie between the 90% confidence level. So only what I have to do is now to make start batch, and we see here that MC FLO has used the some kind of formula. Here we see here on the comments that MC FLO has used the additive Holt-Winters model with the corresponding alpha, beta and gamma parameters, and also performed the corresponding U-test. So here we see the lower limit. We see here the corresponding prediction for the next 2 periods, and here we see the corresponding, the lower limit, and here the upper limit. And now you can make with this kind of functionality within MC FLO predictions on sales volumes or other information that you want to predict within your entire workbook. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a good day. Bye bye.